Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform that enables businesses to create personalized, data-driven campaigns. One of its standout features is the ability to conduct A/B testing, also known as split testing, directly within the platform. So, A/B testing in Klaviyo allows you to experiment with the different elements of your email campaigns to determine what resonates best with your audience. So this guide will walk you through everything that you need to know about A/B testing in Klaviyo, from setup to analysis, so you can optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. So now, why A/B test in Klaviyo? A/B test in Klaviyo helps you is to first improve email performance, identify which subject lines, content, or even CTAs drive higher open rates, click-through rates, or even conversions. Second is understanding your audience. So gain insights into what your subscribers prefer, allowing you to tailor future campaigns. Third is to boost ROI. So by optimizing your emails, you can increase revenue and get more value from your email marketing efforts. Fourth is reduce guesswork. So make data-driven decisions instead of relying on assumptions. So now, what can you A/B test in Klaviyo? Klaviyo allows you to test a variety of email elements, including 1. The subject lines, so test tones, lengths, or even personalization. Second is the sender name. Experiment with using your brand name versus your personal name. And third is email content. Test different layouts, images, or even a copy. Fourth is call to action or CTA. So try different button, text, colors, or even placement. Send times. Determine best time to send emails for higher engagement. Next is offers and discounts. So test different promotions or incentives. So now I'll be showing you how to set up an A/B test in Klaviyo. So first you need to log into your Klaviyo account, then you'll be welcome to the dashboard. And on the left-hand side of the screen, there is the option of the campaigns. Simply click this. So you can create a new campaign by simply clicking this one. But in my case, I have already created a campaign. So let me just select it. And after that, you need to select the audience you need to send to. So I think email list is good for me, and it depends upon your preference. So select the one that you prefer. Then after that, simply click on this next. And then you will be asked to write down your subject line and even your preview text. So let me just quickly fill out this. So now that I have filled my subject line and even write down my preview text, all you need to do is simply click on this Create A/B Test, as you can see on the screen. So after you have clicked on Create A/B Testing, you need to choose the element you want to test. For example, it can be subject line, sender name, or even the content. So if you select content, you will need to create a second version of your email. So to create a second version of your email, you need to simply clone this by simply clicking this clone option, as you can see on the screen. Then after you click that, a clone will be ready as a campaign B, as you can see on the screen. So if you select subject line or sender name, Klaviyo will prompt you to enter variations. So next step is to define your test parameters. So when you scroll down, you will see there is the test size, and you can even see the winning variation. So let me just quickly explain this to you. So test size is what you decide your percentage of your audience will participate in the test. So Klaviyo typically splits audience evenly between the variations. So as you can see, if I put 100% here, the Klaviyo has split up into 50 and 50%, and you can even change it. For example, if I could 75%. So as you can see, Klaviyo will split up into perfect halves of different variations, which is in A and B, as you can see on the screen. Next is you can even test the duration. So choose how long the test will run. For example, it may be 4 hours. You can even say 12 or even 25. So Klaviyo will send the winning version to the remaining audience after the test concludes. So you can test the durations here, as you can see on the screen. So it depends on how much hours that you're gonna keep. It's totally upon your preference on how much you will keep. You can keep 10, 25, or according to your preferences. So after you have even selected the time duration, now is the time for the goal metric. So select the metric that you want to optimize for. So as you can see on the screen, there are different metrics which says open rate or click rate. So let me just quickly explain this to you. So open rate is best for testing subject lines or sender names, and click rate is ideal for testing email content or CTAs. And you can even use revenue and use this if your goal is to drive sales. So to test your email campaign, which are in two versions which we have created, which is A and B, you can change the subject line to see which campaign is performing better. So let me keep the subject line of version A the same, and let me make a slight change, the subject line of variation B. So let me just quickly edit this. So I have quickly changed the subject line of the version B comparing to version A. And after that, you simply need to click and the next option to see which version is performing better. So as you can see, do check everything is okay or not, or you can even edit by simply clicking this edit option if you feel anything is inconvenient to you. And after that, you need to simply click on the schedule or send option situated at the top right corner. And then comes the important part. So once that you have checked everything is okay and verified everything is good, now all you need to do is click on this schedule or send and then schedule it according to your time. And after that, simply click on this send now and click it. And there you have it. So your campaign is waiting to go, it has said, and our campaign or creating A/B test have been scheduled. So best practices for A/B testing in Klaviyo is 1. Test one element at a time. So focus on a single variable, example subject line or CTA, to isolate its impact on performance. So second one is to use a large enough sample size. So ensure your test group is statistically significant, and Klaviyo recommends testing on at least 1,000 subscribers for reliable results. Third is segment your audience. So test on a specific segment, for example, new subscribers, repeat customers, and more, to gain more targeted insights. Fourth is run test for the right duration. Allow enough time for your audience to engage with the email. For example, 12 to 24 hours is often sufficient for open rate test. Fifth is leverage personalization. So use dynamic content or personalized subject lines to see how personalization impacts your performance. And sixth is document your results. So keep a record of your test and outcomes to identify trends and inform future campaigns. So now, let's see analyzing A/B test results in Klaviyo. Once a test is complete, Klaviyo provides detailed insights to help you understand the results. One is the winning variation. Klaviyo automatically identifies the winning version based on your chosen metric. So number 2 is performance metrics. Compare open rates, click rates, and revenue for each variation. Third is statistical significance. Klaviyo indicates whether results are statistically significant, ensuring the findings are reliable. Fourth is audience insight. See how different segments respond to each variation. So now, to access your result, 1. Go to Campaigns tab. 2. Click on the A/B test campaign you want to analyze. Third is to review the A/B test results section for a detailed breakdown. So now let's see advanced A/B testing strategies in Klaviyo. 1 is advanced testing. While Klaviyo doesn't support multivariate testing, you can run sequential A/B tests to evaluate multiple elements over time. 2 is testing send times. So use Klaviyo's optimized send time to feature automatically send emails at the best time for each subscriber. Third is combining A/B testing with flows. Test elements in automated hours, example, welcome series or abandoned cart emails, to optimize your automation. 4. Long-term testing. Run the same test multiple times to confirm results and account for seasonal variations. So here are some common mistakes to avoid in Klaviyo A/B testing. 1 is testing too many variables. So stick to one variable per test to avoid muddying the results. 2 is ignoring segmentation. So failing to segment your audience can lead to misleading conclusions. And third is ending test too early. So ensure your test runs long enough to gather sufficient data. Fourth is overlooking mobile optimization. Test how your emails render on mobile devices as many subscribers open emails on their phones. Fifth is not acting on results. So use the insights from your test to refine your future campaigns. A/B testing in Klaviyo is a game changer for optimizing your email campaigns. By systematically testing and analyzing different elements, you can uncover what truly resonates with your audience and drive better results. So, whether you are testing the subject lines, CTAs, or send times, Klaviyo intuitive A/B testing tools make it easy to experiment and iterate. So now, remember, the key to successful A/B testing is consistency. Continuously test, learn, and refine your campaigns to stay ahead of the competition and deliver emails that truly engage your subscribers. So start your first A/B test in Klaviyo today and unlock the full potential of your email marketing strategy. See you guys in the next video.